Ever been in that situation? You're out and about, craving that new burger joint, but crickets. Your bank account's looking a little bare. You're thinking, man, I wish I could get that burger now and pay later. Well, guess what? You might be able to. Today, we're diving deep into Beforepay. This app lets you make purchases up front and pay them back later, interest-free. But here's the burning question: do you actually need money in your bank account to use it? Let's find out. Beforepay is basically like a line of credit. It gives you access to funds you don't currently have, allowing you to make purchases at participating retailers. But here's the catch: you'll need to repay those funds within a specific time frame, usually a few weeks. Now, back to our original question: do you need money in your bank account to use Beforepay? The short answer is, it depends. To initially sign up and get approved for Beforepay, you'll likely need to provide some basic financial information. This might include linking your bank account, providing income details, and undergoing a credit check. Once approved, you'll typically have a spending limit. This limit determines how much you can spend using Beforepay. While you don't necessarily need funds in your bank account to make a purchase with Beforepay, you absolutely need to have the funds available to repay the loan within the agreed-upon time frame. Think of it this way: Beforepay is essentially borrowing money. And just like any loan, you need to be responsible for repaying it. Here's the deal: if you miss a repayment deadline, you could face late fees, penalties, or even damage to your credit score. So, while Beforepay can be a lifesaver in a pinch, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Here are some key things to consider. Only use Beforepay for essential purchases or unexpected expenses. Create a repayment plan and stick to it. Never spend more than you can comfortably afford to repay. Always read the terms and conditions carefully before using any buy now, pay later service. Beforepay can be a convenient option for managing your cash flow, but it's not a magic solution. Always use it wisely and responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.